Hi, my name is Samantha Tab. This is my intro video for EDL 850 School Law Module 1. A little bit of background on myself. My husband is in the Army, so we have moved from Missouri to Kansas, and now we're in the fabulous Colorado Springs, Colorado. This is a picture of my family. My husband, our daughter Kendall, who's 8, our son Peyton, who's 4, and our Great Dane Jameson, who is also 4. Background on my education. I graduated from Missouri State University with a degree in elementary education, and I had a social studies minor. And now I'm going to Fort Hays State for building leadership. My work experience. I did my student teaching in Missouri in a 4th grade classroom, and I got hired right after that. But what I would consider full-time teaching, I started my career at Sites Elementary at Fort Riley, Kansas in a kindergarten classroom, and I taught there for 2 years. This last summer, we moved to Colorado Springs, and now I work at Stetson Elementary as a 1st grade teacher, and this is my 1st year also in an ELL classroom. My work environment is extremely interesting because in September, the principal that hired me had to resign. And then 2 weeks later, we got introduced to an interim principal who came to us from district. This year has been really not normal, I guess, to say. There's a lot of disconnect between the district and the school. But what has kept me sane this year is my amazing team and all my teaching friends at Stetson. A critical reflection of my administration's knowledge. I know a lot of things go on behind closed doors that they don't even have to bother the teachers about, but some of their strengths are there is a lot of security to the building. We do a lot of drills, intruder drills, lockout, lockdown, tornado, and all of that good stuff. I do know since state testing is coming up, we have learned a lot about that. They know a lot about days and dibbles testing, and we just got a training on the McKinney-Vento laws, so I know they know that. And our principals know a lot about the Colorado content standards, which is awesome for me because I'm new there, and that's something I need to learn about. Weaknesses, there is no school handbook. It's insane. The laws and policies are not posted in the school. Our MTSS and IEP procedures and the way that they run all of that is not very clear either. Colorado has something called READ plans, Reading to Ensure Academic Development. That is a law here in Colorado that isn't really clear at our school, so we have to ask a ton of questions about that. A critical reflection of my knowledge. Well, I just got the McKinney-Vento training, so I do know about that. I know a lot about dibbles testing from my previous school and this school. I know about IEPs, like what to look for, what the SPED teacher needs to qualify someone so that I can set them up for success for evaluations. I know a lot about the ELL policies. I know newsworthy federal laws. I know religion, and then just general best practices for teachers that won't get you fired. Some weaknesses that I have is I wish that I knew more about IEP rules after like evaluation. I just moved here, so I don't know very much about the Colorado state standards. I don't know much about the state laws and district policies. Since there is no handbook, I'm just learning as we go. My plan to gain knowledge about school law is ask questions. I am like the best question asker. I'm going to continue to be a lifelong learner with an emphasis in school law. Super nerdy, I know, but it's fine. Research anything that I don't know, and I am super stoked to be in this class because I feel like there are so many people from different walks of life who've done different things that are going to be able to teach me so many things. But thank you for watching my video.